Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning English Active and Passive Voice. In my previous video, we covered the rules of converting sentences in present tense from active to passive. In this video, we will learn to convert sentences in past tense from active to passive. Before we begin, I want you to appreciate how important it is to learn to use passive voice. It not only shifts the focus on the action rather than the doer, but also lends certain finesse to your communication skills, especially in formal setups. It also comes handy when you wish to report an incident or an event. I will be taking up the uses and applicability of passive voice in the concluding video of active passive voice. So here we begin with today's topic. I will start by brushing up the basic rules of converting sentences from active to passive voice in case the sentences are in past tense. Type: simple past tense. I played a match. A match was played by me. Second, past continuous tense. I was playing a match. Passive voice. A match was being played by me. Past perfect tense. I had played a match. Passive voice. A match had been played by me. Past perfect continuous tense is generally not used in passive voice. Therefore, the sentence I had been playing a match remains the same way. Alright, points to be noted here. First of all, changing voice from active to passive is not very difficult. Second, when we change a sentence in simple past to passive voice, we add was or were as the case may be. For example, she ate an apple will change to an apple was eaten by her. Third, when we change a sentence in past perfect to passive voice, we only add been. Therefore, had changes to had been in passive voice. For example, they had eaten an apple will change to an apple had been eaten by them. Simple, isn't it? Fourth, when we change a sentence in past continuous tense to passive voice, we use the third form of the verb and being, B-E-I-N-G, along with was or were as the case may be. Example, I was eating an apple will change to an apple was being eaten by me. In case you are facing any doubts understanding the tenses terminology that I have used, please watch videos 2, 3 and 4 of my channel Learning English. This brings us to the end of module Conversion of Sentences in Past Tense from Active to Passive Voice. Please keep watching for my next lesson on conversion from active to passive voice in case of sentences in future tense. Please like if you like and subscribe if you wish to stride ahead closer to your dream of using correct English. Also, feel free to post comments and doubts in the comment section. It is said, what we learn with pleasure, we never forget. So let us make the journey of learning English beautiful and replete with fun-filled practice sessions. I will be posting more videos relating to fun facts regarding active-passive voice after completing all types of sentences. So please remember, grammar is no rocket science, just some practice and rerun of all my videos and voila, there I see you using English with great spontaneity.